Understanding banjo rhythm in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating English phrase, banjo rhythm. This phrase might sound musical, but it has broader applications in English language. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. Banjo rhythm refers to a specific musical pattern commonly associated with banjo playing. However, in a broader sense, it can be used metaphorically to describe anything that has a lively, rhythmic, and upbeat characteristic. It's not just about music. It's about the energy and pattern something embodies. The origin of banjo rhythm is deeply rooted in American folk and country music, where the banjo plays a crucial role. The banjo is known for its distinctive twangy sound and fast-paced, rhythmic playing style. This historical context gives the phrase its lively and rhythmic connotation. You might use banjo rhythm in various contexts. For example, describing music. The song has a banjo rhythm that makes you want to dance. Describing events or atmospheres. The party had a banjo rhythm vibe, full of energy and excitement. In metaphors, his speeches always have a banjo rhythm. They're dynamic and engaging. Understanding banjo rhythm also involves appreciating its cultural significance. It's a phrase that evokes the rich traditions of American music and can be a gateway to exploring more about different musical styles and histories. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what banjo rhythm means and how you can use it in English conversations. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about culture, history, and the rhythm of how we communicate. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English with these fun and interesting phrases.